Welcome to my channel Cooking Kenman's UK. Today I'm making pizza bites which are really easy to make and so delicious. Please subscribe my channel and press the notification button so you cannot miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's start recipe. I take 1 cup of cheddar cheese grated, white and red onions chopped half cup each, boiled sweet corns half cup, red, yellow and green capsicum 1/3 cup each, chopped tomatoes half cup, black olives sliced half cup, black pepper powder 1/3 teaspoon, smoked paprika half teaspoon, chili powder and chili flakes 1/3 teaspoon each, but these are optional, dry oregano, garlic powder and basil half teaspoon each. I take 5 burger buns for the base and cut them in half. Now I'm adding all the vegetables into a bowl. Add all the herbs and spices. Now give them a good mix. Add salt to your taste. I add 2 tablespoons of sweet Thai sauce. Mix them well. I take 1 cup of tomato sauce to coat the base of the buns. Coat all the bases with the tomato sauce. You can use tomato ketchup as well. Now put the 3 tablespoons of vegetable mix on each base. Cover each pizza base with the grated cheddar cheese. I sprinkle chopped fresh basil leaves on my pizza bites. Now I'm putting sliced black olives on each of my pizza bites. You can put 3 or 4 pieces on each pizza bite. I sprinkle chili flakes on pizzas, but these are optional. If you don't like it, you can skip it. These beautiful pizza bites are ready to bake. Put them in a preheated oven. Bake them for 6 to 8 minutes at 180 °C. See how beautifully they turn out. You can make it for the parties, for the lunch boxes, and for the tea time for yourself. They are so cheesy, so yummy. If you do like the video, please give thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, bye.